Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? I hope everybody's having a great day. I have another box that came. Oh my goodness, I've got a lot of boxes that are coming in. But today I'm going to go with single swag. Yeah. Hey guys, this box has arrived. It is the October box and I'm so excited to bring it to you. So happy Sunday to everybody. And I do want to say I am wearing one of my t-shirts from the Believers box. And I'm going to pop up and say, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord." And then it's Jeremiah 29:11. And this was that pink t-shirt that I got in one of my boxes. And I thought I would wear it today as I share single swag, which is #LoveYourself. Well, it's not on here, but you don't have to be single to enjoy single swag. Hey guys, this box is $39.99 a month. They are very, very good about getting their product box to you pretty close to the first of the month, if not on the first. And I have not had any problems with them as far as delivery. They're very well managed and on time. You can sometimes find discount codes where you might can get it for 40 to 50% off, but if you can't find any of those codes and you want to start up with single swag, I will have a link in the description that will allow you to get a discount off your first box. And I think it's $15, but I'll verify that in the screen there. This is the Single Swag's $39.99 box. This is the regular size box, 6 to 8 items, usually lifestyle items, maybe some beauty, some jewelry. You kind of get a nice variety, and I like that in this box. And you can also get it for $24.99. That is the smaller size Single Swag box. I guess, I don't know if they call it the mini or what, but it is $24.99. So you can have opportunity to still get the Single Swags box and get many of the same items that I will get in here if you want to spend just a little bit less, and or if that's what your budget allows. But today we're going to open this up. We're going to see what they have curated for us for October. Can't wait. This is the inside of the box. We have our product card on top, which I love. And of course it tells us we can win our next box, and you always have an opportunity for that. I will tell you this box has a retail value of $204. It is the October box, and it says, "Loving yourself isn't selfish, it's necessary. Relax, smile, and enjoy this month's special surprise just for you." And I will tell you, as we go through some of the retail pricing, that it can be a little bit inflated on some of the items, and if I feel that it is, I will let you know. But this is the inside of our box. They always have it wrapped in black paper. Looks like we have something that's in a plastic bag right on top. Looks like we have, for our first item, is a Vitality Vitamin C Booster Day Cream. This here has a $46 value. It's called Nebe, is the product line. It's a Vitality Vitamin C Booster Day Cream. It re-energizes your skin with this deeply hydrating, fast-absorbing cream for a visibly firmer, brighter, and more dewy complexion without leaving behind any greasy residue. And that's great. I love a vitamin C product that can do that. And this is what it looks like. It is in a plastic container. It is a day cream. And it does kind of have a seal. I'm going to see if I can pull that off of there. Oh yeah, we can see how creamy that is. Look at that. I'm just going to take just a little bit off the top there, and I want to put that back on there, and I'm going to rub it on. This is very creamy. Yeah, very creamy, and it's absorbing in real easily. It has a very, very light scent, so if you're sensitive to smells, it should be fine because it's not heavily scented. And it sounds like it's something you may be able to put on top of your moisturizer. It's a booster, so you're going to boost hydrating. Very good. I like that. And it's very possible that that's $46, guys, because, you know, skincare is expensive. All right, guys, our next item is Cambridge Proper, and this is a multi-wear. Yes, this was the plastic bag that I seen on top, and we are going to have a hair product in here, I think, or a bandana. And I like the color of it. And it's got you can put your hand through there. You can use it as a mask. It's showing all the different things you can use this for. And let's see what it has to say as far as the information. It has a $26 value. This is a multi-wear bandeau. This soft and versatile accessory can be styled in more than 10 ways. Reference the styling images included on the packaging of this very unique lightweight bandeau. It will not slip, and it's perfect for office, gym, shopping, and all of your everyday activities. So I really do like the color of it, and I like that you can use it for like a headband, a mask. You can use it around your top of your head, pull it up in a ponytail and wrap it up, use it for a wristband. It's really got a lot of different uses, so that's pretty cool. I don't know about you guys, but I say that's a winner. I don't know about the price, but it's possible that it's that much. Now the next item we have is a Gemma Simone, and I want to say this may be some jewelry, and that would be in this box right here. And this is where we're going to get to the part where it may be really inflated. They say it has a value of $64. So let's just take a look and see what $64 purchases. What do you think? Do you think that looks like it's $64? Probably kind of hard to tell in this package. But for $64, wow, that's a lot. It says the chic, trendy, layered necklace with a pop of color will be your new go-to piece all year round. 2 layers of rose gold chains with a pendant and the aqua beaded accents will add style to any look or outfit, which I'll have to say the coloring of it is good. And it will add a little pop of color and a little bit of style to any outfit that you might be wearing. So there's a lot of truth to that. And they have it wrapped up pretty good, but it is the rose gold. I do like the accents of the rose gold, and I like the 2 layered rose gold, and then of course the accent of the blue or the aqua color. So it is very pretty, and even at half price it would be around $32. Okay guys, the next item is we have a food item, and this time we got the caramel and almond sea salt, and this is very good. I've had this before and I love it, and this is a good flavor. It says, even though it sounds like it belongs to the treat list along with all the other salted caramel indulgences, this bar contains 5 grams of sugar and is packed with nutritionally dense nuts. Enjoy. So I guess it's low in sugar. Maybe that's what they're trying to tell us. But it's 1 ingredient, it's gluten-free, and it's caramel, almond, and sea salt. It's got 6 grams of protein and 5 grams of sugar. And I will say these are good and healthy, and if you have to be gluten-free, this is a pretty clean source. Okay guys, our next item is a sponge gel. Yay! Everybody likes a sponge gel. Looks like we have the hand defense. This is a body wash infused buffer. Okay, it says, step into sponge jelly and begin your journey to a self-care oasis. Using perfumed technology and innovative delivery system, Sponge Gel blends high-quality ingredients, natural extracts, and award-winning fragrances to create a multi-use product. It says hand defense, but maybe it could be for hand or body. But let's see, it's got the scent that says Revive. Okay, it's just a round one, and it's just like that. So it's big enough that it could go in the shower. So, and it has a nice scent. It says it's Revive Hand Defense, and it says it's with thyme and tea tree oils. So it says 40 hand washes. So you could put this by your sink and use it to wash your hands instead of pumping out soap. Give it a try. Maybe I'll like that. It has a $22 value. Our next item is a 24 karat gold collagen eye mask, and this is by Emasis Skincare, and that is right here, 24 karat gold eye mask, and I imagine these are going to be very good. You know I like to use eye mask. I use the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold and Rose Gold, and they're really good. This here says this is a $24 value. Revive the look and feel of your eyes with these under eye masks infused with 24 karat gold. The skin loving formula in each mask will visibly brighten and hydrate your eyes while minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Amen to that. We want those gone, right? Well, that sounds very good. And I'm just going to take a sneaky peek. They're individually wrapped, and they look like this. So they are gold, and they look like they're going to be wonderful to use. So I'm loving this box so far. It's really a good one. Okay, guys, we got one more item in here, and it is this book, Good Vibes, Good Life. How Self-Love is the Way to Unlocking Your Greatness by Vex King, and this has a $22 value. And guys, I forgot to tell you, but the Kind bar had a $2 value, which is very reasonable and accurate. This book says it's $22. A lot of times they'll have the price on the book so we can verify it, but there's not a price on this book, so I can't verify that. Anyways, this is a nice little read. It's for self-care. Be the best version of you that you can be. How can you learn to truly love yourself? How can you transform negative emotions to positive ones? Is it possible to find lasting happiness? In this book, author and Instagram guru Vex King answers all these questions and more. So you can check him out on that, I'm sure. But it looks like a nice little read. You know, it says study your emotions. It has value your inner beauty. And I'd have to say that's something that a lot of people don't realize, that I don't know if this neglect is the right word, but they may not really realize their true beauty. And this may help them be able to figure that out. Change your body language. You know, sometimes you can be closed off. If you walk around like this with your arms all closed up, that's a sign that you don't want to be messed with. So, you know, if you want people to feel inviting, you know, don't have your hands up like this or around your chest or around your waist or whatever, you know, kind of be a little bit more free with your hands. So, you know, there is a such thing as body language and how people perceive you when they meet you or when they see you standing somewhere. And it says you can't move forward with thoughts that hold you back. And, you know, that's something else that's very true. A lot of good information in here, it looks like. So this could be a good book. I even seen something just now on procrastination. Boy, howdy, don't we all kind of get into a procrastination mode? It says procrastination will delay your dreams, and oh boy, howdy, will it ever. So yeah, I think this is a good book. So to recap, for our $39, in my case it was $17.50 because I had a 50% off coupon that I bought for the whole year. So that's how much my box cost me a month. But we've got the Good Vibes, Good Life. We got these wonderful 24 karat gold eye masks. We got our hand defense sponge jelly that can be used for your hands or your body. We got this delicious Kind bar, which I'll be snacking on sometime today probably. And then we got this Vitality Vitamin C booster. And guys, I'll have to say this was very pleasant and it absorbed really nice. My hand is not greasy or anything. And then we got this versatile Cambridge Proper Multi-Wear Bandeau or Banda, I don't know. Let me show y'all. Can you see where it says the name of it there? Right there. Number 2. Anyways, we got this beautiful little necklace that of course may be a little overpriced, but it's still pretty. So those were all our items, and I am happy with my box once again. I'm so glad that I resubscribed. But of course, I did wait till I found me one of those good coupons. So if you get a chance or ever see one for 40 or 50% off and you're interested in this box, I'd say snag it when you can, because I don't know how often they put those out. But this had a value of $204. That's all I have for single swag today. Be sure and check my descriptions for any current giveaways, which includes my 850 subscriber giveaway. Thank you very much, everybody. Also, it includes a This and That battle with Fabfitfun in Bombay and Cedar, a Hello Fall collab that came out yesterday, and there's 18 giveaways in that one. And I'm going to be having a Monday mask collab with a new friend, and I want y'all to come over and see our videos and support my new friend. We're going to help her grow her channel. So as for today, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.